In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your GitHub profile. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to manage your profile readme. This is a key aspect of personalizing your GitHub profile and making it unique to you. So head over to the upper right corner of any GitHub page. There, you should see an icon that looks like a plus sign inside a circle. Click on it, then select New Repository from the drop-down menu. Now, in the repository name field, type a name that exactly matches your GitHub username. For instance, if your username is Octocat, your repository name has to be Octocat as well. This is important because it lets GitHub know that this repository is meant to be your profile readme. Next, you have the option to fill out a description for your repository. Here you can add something like My Personal Repository to give viewers some context about you. Make sure to select Public so everyone can see your profile. Then you'll need to toggle the option that says Add README to the On position. After that, just click the Create Repository button. You're almost there. Once your repository is created, look to the right sidebar. You'll see a button labeled Edit README. Go ahead and click that, and this is where the fun part begins. You can use this section to add a bio, list your skills, showcase your projects, or anything else you feel is important. Now that you've set up your README, let's talk about pinning items to your profile. This will help highlight your most important repositories and gists. Again, head to the top right corner of GitHub and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Your Profile. On your profile page, scroll down to the Popular Repositories or Pinned section. You'll find an option that says Customize your pins. Click on that. Here, you can decide which items you want displayed prominently. If you want to adjust what appears in the searchable list, you can choose to include or exclude repositories and gists by selecting or deselecting them next to Show. Finding a specific item can be made easier as well. Just type the name of a user, organization, repository, or gist in the Filter Repositories and Gists field. You can also reorder the items in the Pinned section. Just click and drag the pins around to your preferred spots. You can select up to 6 repositories and gists to pin at one time. Once you've made your picks, don't forget to hit Save Pins at the bottom. Lastly, you might want to set your profile to private for privacy reasons. To do this, once again, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Public Profile section and scroll down to where you see Contributions and Activity. Here, you'll find a checkbox that says Make Profile Private and Hide Activity. Select that, and then click on Update Preferences to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your GitHub profile. I hope you